皆さんこんにちは、かずえです。Everyday Kanji, Kanji on the street. Today's Kanji is this. Means special. On reading is 徳 or と. That's it. The stroke order of this kanji is this. So today's kanji, 徳 or と special, combining last time kanji, Q, hurry. So there is a word, 特急 means limited express or super express for trains. So last time you learned 急行, it's an express train. So 特急 is faster than 急行. So these are what you see this kanji on the street, especially in the stations. Okay, that's all for today's lesson. Hope you enjoyed. じゃあまた明日。バイバイ。